usa, duha, tulo, pat, lima. Ako naguti kang giampo.
To my dearest wife, Jean, thank you for accepting my application letter. You hired me on the spot. And now, thank you for promoting me to be your lifetime partner. I feel overwhelmingly lucky and proud to be here, standing beside you. Thank you for accepting me for all that I am. Thank you for supporting me unconditionally. And I know that I haven't made it easy.
Mangitag away,
Jean, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Kim Carlo, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
lagi kay smile lang po gamay. Nagsara bayag ko angay. Iku mangitag away. Iku magpasaway. Basta kay ay lagi kay smile lang po gamay. Di bagi ay nun ka malibay. Nga na ay nahigugma. Piling mo huwag, piling mo madapin. Asya, piling mo suporta. Piling nga hilakan, piling nga utangan. Basta na iku, iku, iku. Liko Malinel, iku, iku. Magpasaway basta kay mahipir ako. Di baya nagwapo, usman lang kami tayo.
Dear future husband, thank you for staying and for choosing me. From a simple Facebook swipe, I never imagined we'd reach this day. I've always been full of doubts and overthinking, but I surrendered everything to God and trusted His plan. You became my calm and clarity, reminding me to pray, trust, and let go of fear. You balanced me in ways I didn't know I needed.
Andam na ko nga ihalan kanimong tanan. Andam na ko nga magkuyog tas katap.
Jesus is praying for unity. He said that they may be one because they offer their relationship to God and God blesses them. The relationship was blessed because they offer this to God. And as to what I have said, their relationship becomes the answer of God's prayer as God prays for unity.
Akong isugid sa kahitasan ako kang gimahal.
I once prayed that if you weren't meant for me, munta hatagan ta og rason nga magbuwag dayon kay kalas ra og oras. But instead, I found myself praying for you and for us. Now I truly believe God brought us here because we are answers to each other's prayer.
Ko na sa kalangitan kining pagbati ko nga way katungkaran ug way kahadlok na akong dughan ug di mahadlok kay kita kauban. Guniti ang akong kamot pahingon tangin to sa
vow to become your loving, responsible, and bully husband. I will be your partner in crime and gossiping, and I pray that God guides us in all our journey. Thank you for everything, Jean. Your loving, bully husband, Kim Carlo.
May palubay Tingakong guma Umay kahadlok Tingakong dughan Apan dilin lalim Di malantaw ang imong mga pahiyo Sa kuyugan tika Taman sa atong katapusang pagpiyo Guniti ang akong kamot Mainunta dito sa altar Kung akong isugid sa kaitasan ako kang di mahal Gugma mo kalyan Mapabiling kaya Rining mga mata